Hello everyone, this video shows our family trip from Osaka to Izu Peninsula in Shizuoka. Our destination is Izu Hokkawa Station to stay at Hokkawa Onsen Hotel. Hikari bullet train will take us to the destination in 4 hours and 20 minutes. If you go there from Tokyo side, it will take 2 hours and 20 minutes only. Bullet train ticket gives you a free ride to a neighbor JR station. In this case, it's up to JR Ito station. Since the tickets we bought were only up to Atami station, we once had to exit the gate and buy a new ticket from Atami to Izu Hokkawa station. For people living in West Japan, such as Osaka, Izu Peninsula is a special place to visit because it's quite far from our home. Atami is famous for their hot springs and convenient location, but it's crowded and bustling too much sometimes. Higashi-Izu region gives us a private environment even if it's a bit far from any bullet train stations. But it's worth it for us when we want a quiet place sometimes. I've stayed at Bosui Hotel that is right next to the hotel we are staying tonight, and that's when I became a big fan of this region. If you book a shuttle bus 1 or 2 days prior to the date of stay, they will come and pick you up at the station for free. It's a quiet town and there is no such a thing as Lawson or Family Mart. But there is one local grocery store along the hotel. The fresh fishes must be prepared for our dinner, I guess. Thank you, fisherman. 15 minutes from the station to the hotel on foot. Choose your favorite design for yukata clothes. There is one indoor spa and another one at the rooftop, and they are exchanged for men and women every other day. This is a Japanese-style quadruple room we booked. Futon mattresses are already prepared by the staff. This ocean view is the most important thing to us. Outdoor hot spring is on the left hand. This room is spacious for a family like us. A microwave is available at the lobby floor, just so you know. As I said, there is no convenience store in this area, so buy your snacks or drinks at Atami station if you want, or go to the local store before it's closed. Let's go to the outdoor Kuroneiwa hot spring before the dinner. The long and narrow Ryokan on the left hand is our hotel. The rest of the complex belongs to Bosui Hotel, where I stayed 1 year ago. This outdoor hot spring opens at 10 a.m. every day, which is a little late for us for tomorrow, so it's better to use it today. We arrived at Kuroneiwa Hot Spring. Now we are hungry. They offer a course menu, which we really liked. Are those sashimi raw fish what the fisherman just caught? This cuisine is worth our long journey from Osaka. This is actually our first family travel to a Japanese ryokan. We are having a good time. Today, men can use smaller indoor spa, while ladies can use rooftop spa, but the rooftop spa should be already dark. Boys can use the rooftop tomorrow morning, so I'm the lucky guy. This is how it looks from the rooftop hot spring that my wife is using now. Good night. Good morning, Izu Peninsula. Let's go to the rooftop hot spring. Beautiful sunrise from the ocean. And I see some fishing boats that should be catching our breakfast soon. sun is shining now, so let's take a walk before the breakfast. Here is a microwave. Next to the hotel, there is a seafood restaurant called Isobe. You can try if you want. I see a red firefighter. Is there a fire? No, it's them who are making fires. I think this is how two hotels are standing next to each other. So, what these fishermen catch this morning for us? I think they got amberjack for us today. Thank you. We wish we could eat this breakfast every day. This is the total charge. This includes a quadruple room with a dinner and breakfast for 2 adults. If you came without any children, the total charge would be cheaper by 30 or 40% than what we just paid. It's time to leave. Their shuttle bus is taking us to Izu Hokkawa station in 5 minutes. This is an unmanned station, so pick this ticket and show it to a train conductor on the train so they can calculate the ticket price for your payment in the train. If you come from Tokyo, it will take 2 hours and 20 minutes to go back. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope our trip made you familiar with this area and like it. In the next video, we are going to another Ryokan in Shizuoka. Travel with us soon.